Hello, everybody. Hope all of you are doing fine and staying safe. I'm posting this video, or rather, I'm making this video to talk about my new venture called SP Expressions. I would be telling you, I would be trying to communicate what we do at SP Expressions and also try to advertise our recent the products that we have launched through SP Expressions. So SP Expressions, what basically we try to do is we try to sell good thoughts through eco-friendly merchandise. So our main focus is to communicate good good thoughts or good sense through eco-friendly merchandise. So that is what we try to do at SP Expressions. So like before we tried our hands with different products, like we tried coffee mugs, we tried bags and other things, but somehow we thought that notebooks are the better start. I mean, definitely we would want to venture into other things, but then we thought that notebooks are the better start. So we started out with notebooks. These are eco-friendly recycled paper notebooks. So now no trees have been used in making the paper for these notebooks. So this is they are called recycled paper notebooks. So we have launched these. We have made 6 designs and we have launched them. We have already tried to circulate the notebook designs around. So the thing is like uh, these six what we do is we get these notebooks made from manufacturers. You have many people who make these notebooks. We make these notebooks, we get it branded with whatever design we want. We get these notebooks branded with the design, we get it customized, and we try to resell it. So this is our business model as of now. So the thing is, like, we have made 6 notebooks as I mentioned before. So what are the 6 notebooks? I'll just yeah. Uh, Before I talk about these notebooks, the recycled paper notebooks, these notebooks are available in 2 colors. One is white and one is craft paper color. The white color and the notebooks have different GSM. I'm sure you people know. The inner pages, the standard notebook inner pages GSM is around 60 to 70, and the outer page GSM is variable. The outer cover GSM is variable. But what happens with a recycled paper is, when you're using a recycled paper with a lower GSM, that is 60-70 GSM, when you're writing with an ink pen or when you're writing with a sketch pen, it gets blotted because it's a recycled paper. So what we have done is we have understood this concept. So we have used 80 GSM and 100 GSM inner pages rather than the lower thing. We have used 80 and 100 GSM of inner pages, and the outer cover is 230 GSM for the white, and craft paper can go up to 400 GSM, 300 to 400 GSM the craft paper can go, whereas white can go only up to 230 GSM. That is, the outer cover is 230 GSM and the inner pages is 80 or 100 GSM. Both, there is no blotting. The price difference will be hardly 2 3 hardly 10 yeah, 5 to 6 rupees, I suppose, not more than that. 5 to 6 rupees, not more than that. So so what are our specifications is, we have two kinds. One is A5 size and one is king size. A5 size diary and king size diary of 80 GSM and 100 GSM. If you people prefer an 80 GSM, then you'll be getting 160 pages of 80 GSM A5 or king size encased by Viro. Or if you are preferring a king size, and sorry, if you are preferring a 100 GSM page, then you'll be getting 100 GSM A5 or king size Viro 140 pages, because you can it is difficult. 100 GSM is tad bit thicker, so it will be difficult for it to be wounded in a Viro case, in a Viro format. So that is the reason we are going for 140 GSM. So now I'll just show you the designs. uh, we have created 6 designs. So this is the first one. This is the DNA structure, and it tells us organize your thoughts. So this is the first one. Then this is a chimp, and this is the thing which says plan to prosper. That this is a chimp image. And this is right to remember. And then this is my muse, and this is me and mine. And then this is also me and mine, a child hugging the globe. I somehow like this image a lot. Anyway, then back of the cover, that is in the last page of the notebook, you're having this, which where we try to tell that how useful is a recycled product. Insist what is important, or why is it important to use a recycled product. So, what we say here is use recycled products to protect Mother Earth and to save electricity and water. That is what we try to tell here. And then you have another, the front page. Yeah, this is the front page. After the book cover, you have on the front page, this list will be there. So what does this tell is, uh, you have what are the resources for recycle, what is the reason why you should recycle, and what is the result of recycle. So that is what basically the front page talks about. So I showed you the white color design. Now let me go with the craft paper. It's the same thing. The design is the same. It's only the craft paper is there. Craft paper, it is basically brown, but it is a mix of yellow. So that is craft paper. So craft paper also has the same designs. This is organize your thoughts. Then this is right to remember. So it's the same thing. Then this is my muse, and then this is plan to prosper. Then you have sorry, and you have this is me and mine. This is a child hugging the globe, and then this is also me and mine. So this is how it is. And then this is the back cover, which basically gives the specifications of the book, and then the contact of SP Expressions, which is my email ID. And then you have a the image of a coconut tree, and some village background kind of a thing. I just enjoy this image a lot, so I thought I'll put it together here. And so this is for the craft paper, and then this is for the white paper. So we have already the copyright of these designs are with me and my team. So that's a different issue. We have already started circulating these books among our friends, and few research institutes, and a few people across. So if any one of you who is seeing this video, kindly do share it with your circle and spread a word about these books. Trust me, either you are using these books or something else, no issues. But using recycled products will save Mother Earth. So, and definitely, directly or indirectly, will save us too. So, I think we all should start using recycled products. And if you like this video, please, if you enjoy this video, I'm sorry, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, in my channel, I try to talk about basically, like, the health issues. I talk about people, I talk about personalities, I talk about situations, I talk about stories, I tell stories. So it is basically what I would like, what I enjoy, or what I learn from, and what inspires me, I talk through my channel. So if you enjoy it, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Good day.